Welcome to Hope Furniture. Today we're turning this rough timber into something incredible. Don't skip the ending. We've found the perfect timber. Now, let's take it to the workshop and see what we can create. This is where the transformation begins. Watch closely. This wood is about to change completely. Before the first cut, every detail must be perfect. One small mistake can change everything. Now the real work begins. Watch this cut carefully, because the shape is finally coming alive. Look at that transformation. We're revealing the beauty hidden inside this timber. But don't leave yet. Every pass makes it smoother and more beautiful. Just wait until you see the final finish. These natural cracks will soon become part of the design. We're preparing every detail for the next stage. We're almost there. Everything has to be perfect before the finishing begins. Now watch the finish bring this timber to life. Look at that grain. It's finally becoming a luxury table. But the final reveal is still coming. And here it is. From rough timber to a masterpiece. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to Hope Furniture for the next transformation.